How to pay with Klarna on Vivid Seats. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, you would learn how you can pay with Klarna on Vivid Seats. So if you're looking forward to splitting your ticket payment into manageable installments and you do not know how to do so, do not worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Klarna to do that. First of all, log in into your Vivid Seats account, either through the website or through the app. Once you're logged in and you can see your account, your dashboard, go ahead to shop for tickets by checking out the events that you would like to pay for. So once you found the event, click on the event and you'll be brought to the page where you would see the stadium and then different seats with specific amounts of tickets that will allow you sit on those seats. You can either do this or move to the left side of the screen. Scroll down and then select the ticket that you would like to buy. Once you found this, okay, you can see for the one I chose, I can only pay 2 tickets. All right, but if you don't want 2 tickets, go back and reselect until you get the one you can afford. Then click checkout. All right, you can increase the number of a ticket to 2 to 3 depending on your choice. Just make sure you choose what you want. Then you can see 3 stages to get my ticket: delivery, payment and billing, then place order. So the delivery is basically electronic transfer. So the ticket will be transferred to my email. If you're satisfied with that, click continue to billing. And then the different payment types are displayed. You can pay by credit card, by PayPal, or by Lana. So click Lana, scroll down and click continue to payment. So the next page, all right, you would see an option for you to check some boxes. Do you want to protect your ticket purchase? Check this box. You might be required to pay extra. If not, click no thank you. All right, so select the one you would like to use. If you would like to protect your tickets, you would pay an extra amount of money. If not, click no. Then scroll down, confirm, place your order. Then click express checkout. Follow through the procedures. All right, enter in your Lana details, and once you've done that, the money will be deducted installmentally. The first installment will be made, and then continuously you can then keep paying as you want. All right, so this is it. This is how to make payment using Lana on Vivid Seats for tickets. Okay, but before you also do this, ensure Lana is an acceptable means of payment in your location and you'll be able to use it successfully. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.